This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla %20 Walker. Quick close, completed. Bellhaven plan in Greenhaven at Hillpoint by Wetherington Homes. Featuring a flexible floor plan and gorgeous design details. Plenty of living space. Gorgeous chef's kitchen west/butler's pantry, dual ovens, farmhouse sink and big dining island, quartz countertops. Separate dining room. Open great room overlooks backyard. First floor guest bedroom and full bath. Upstairs, loft area, large primary suite west/huge closet, separate tub/shower, dual sink vanity. LVP flooring incorporated corner lot on cul-de-sac. Rear covered porch. No neighbors behind home. Full front porch. The completed home's avail. Plans west/1 st floor owner's bedroom. Ask about current concessions. January 7, 2026 for more information.